Hi, third graders. It's Miss Rayborn here, and I am excited to talk to you today about the introduction to our connection to your unit, how we express ourselves. So, in your classroom, you've probably just started digging into this unit, whose central idea is people express themselves symbolically. So, maybe you've just started talking about what symbols are, where we see them in our world, and what they can mean. If you have not already done the Do First third grade assignment, please go back and do that before you finish watching this. Okay? So let's take a look at what you just looked at and reflected on. So, what we're looking at here is an example of a coat of arms from a country, and we're going to talk through the different parts and pieces of it, and then I will reveal to you where it is from. So, under what do you see? I see lots of things like a fish, like a swordfish or a marlin. I see a flamingo. I see tropical plants. I see a conch shell. I see lots of waves and also palm sorts of trees. So the next question was, what does that make you think? So for Miss Rayborn, I've had some experience being in places near the ocean and on a beach before. And a lot of these things are very tropical. So when I think of waves and water, I don't necessarily think of a lake. I think of a beach, right? So that's kind of what that makes me think. Maybe this is from a tropical, beachy sort of place. That's the only place that I can think of where I would see palm trees and fish like this that actually live farther out into the ocean where the ocean is deep, right? So maybe even an island is kind of what I was thinking. The fact that there is a ship on here as well leads me also to believe that maybe this is an island that we're thinking of. Says, what do you wonder? So, based upon the things that I'm seeing, that's kind of what I'm wondering. Is this an island, possibly, somewhere? Okay. And then where do you think this is from? I kind of led you to believe already that Miss Rayborn is sort of assuming this is possibly from an island country. We're going to find out. So I'm going to share with you a little bit more information about the different parts of this coat of arms as we sort of decide and decipher where it's from. So on the left-hand side, this fish over here on the side is a marlin, which is similar to a swordfish. And I mentioned before that this would be in a deep sea place. We have a flamingo on the right-hand side, and the flamingo is a tropical bird. Okay, in the center, the ship here is actually a specific ship. It's the Santa Maria. So some of you may already be making a connection of the Santa Maria to Columbus. So can you think of places that you know that Columbus explored? A few more clues, right? We have a crown here, and the crown vestiture is meant to let us know that this is a British colony. Okay, so this place is ruled over and is a part of the United Kingdom. Okay, so we've got our palm fronds, we've got our other kinds of plants down here, and then down here is a motto: forward, upward, onward, together. Okay, so that's the motto of the Bahamas. So this coat of arms is from the Bahamas, and it was designed by a Bahamian artist who was also a clergyman, which means he was very religious. His name was Dr. Hervis L. Bain Jr. And this coat of arms was designed in 1971, not that long ago, and it was approved by Queen Elizabeth II, who is currently the Queen of England. So during her lifetime, this is actually quite new. And they made sure to include lots of things about the Bahamas to give us clues to the symbols of what would be important about learning that country. Okay, so we're going to keep exploring this as we go. Thanks for being such good listeners. Miss Deb is going to share some more information with you about symbols and also what your assignment in your sketchbook is for today. So I will see you very soon. Wrong side. And I look forward to seeing your symbols.